This is pretty cool. When you arrive with the front camera really close and starts to be more than yellow, it tilts. See, broop. However, I have it here, but I mean still it's pretty usable. What happens if I push that sucker? Ah, then I do like that. Love it. It's a X4M still on the animation. But question is, I mean, how close am I? Quad exhaust, love that. I would be so pissed if it would not be that. Auto. So can anybody reply how close I am if I just do a regular camera? Oh shit, I'm really close. Holy crap. How close am I on the spoiler? Shit, I'm getting worried. Okay, it was not that close. But I mean, it looks like I'm this close when you look on this screen. But what if I do like, I want to see from the top. I'm gonna zoom this sucker in. Okay, if we're gonna judge it from, is it the sidewalk that is red? No, it's still not that close. What the hell? I mean, this is not close from my usual. This looks like we're on it now, but we're not. So this is zoomed in too much, I would say. What? Here we can have some pretty trustworthy. What the? Yeah. See? We can do some more. Can we judge it from this angle? I'm not going to do a launch control. People think looking what the hell I'm doing. Now it looks like it would be 10 centimeters left, judging from this picture. Yeah, kind of. I guess it's scared for the things below it. But there is some space left. I mean, come on. Anyway, what problems I have. Yeah, I mean, this could be more. Could be more visible, I would say. But I don't want to play around too much with the Ah, wow. Well, did I kill that before? Yeah, this seems about right. But how really close am I to... It's difficult getting it accurate. Everything is just red. And what's the dark thing here? Can I just drive there? Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't want to take a chance to get any closer, actually. You see, this is useless. It's zooming in too much. Oop. No. Anyway, that's it. I did smudge that thing. See my fingers? But it's a X4M Competition, so everything is alright. Wireless charging. No nose or glasses in the way. Fantastic. And why is this on default setting? Exhaust. Anyway. Full power soon available. Okay. M mode on the heads-up display. And in order to behave, you just put in autonomous driving. So it will not understand red light. That's interesting. I'm somewhat unsure on how to reactivate autonomous driving, but I kind of do a cruise control and then oh shit, sorry, now cruise control, and I have the smallest distance to the car in front, so let's put on shit. Yeah. Let's have one tick at least. Wow, it started by itself there. Ah, here's the upcoming sign. That's pretty cool. I mean, I know even the F10 had a speed sign recognition, but still I'm kind of not used to that technology. I kind of not completely trust it. But here, I mean, you have traffic. You don't want to push them from the left lane and just go all out. Like, just take it easy, basically. Wow, that's a big thing. Building something. One size of that ship sank 19